So I raided my mom's house. We got barbecue chips and 2 packs of wavy Lays. Let's snack on some of these later. Got some soda over there. Where the grapes go? I already lost the grapes. Gonna have some grapes and orange right now. I can do the fun process of pulling them off and rinsing them off. Stay. So I'm going to pull them off here, put them in the cup, and see if they're good. Still got another full bag of this shit. These all look good. I'm not really sure how to pull these off. I've been twisting and pulling. Yeah. Oh, that one looks nasty in there. Not. We are not eating that bad boy. It looks like a. Never mind. I'm not gonna go there. That's good. That's good. I'll stem seed crap get on it. Try pulling it, but it's easier to twist and pull. This is probably plenty of grapes, honestly, because if I'm gonna eat an orange too, that's plenty. A whole bag full still. So now we just rinse them off really good. Juicy orange. Stay calm. Cut this bad boy open. Give me some of them juices. Those are good. How many sharpeners left? Son of a bitch. Let's see if the butter knife will do it. I want to make a horrendous mess. Oh yeah, we go with the butter knife. Oh my God, it smells good. Oh. Shit, I need another bowl. Get out of your seeds. Nobody wants you. Fill them up. Ah, look at that. Drippy. I'm done. Listen, it's not getting out as easily. Give me your juices. Mm. 10 out of 10. To squirt my eyeball. Going well so far. Almost got it. Alright, there we go. Well, look at this. Smells like orange. Yeah, we got grapes and a little bit of orange. And the counters are going to smell really good because there's orange on it. Take that. Take that. Now let's just put these in a bowl. Have a good old time. Myself. Put these bad boys back in the fridge and we got